Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna grab that thing and we're gonna put on another coat of clear, but this coat is gonna be a full wet coat. Now, you can go too wet and run the ever-loving piss out of it. What you're looking for when you're spraying is you want to keep a wet edge. You don't want to go over an area more than once. You want to do about 75 to 80% overlap between your passes, and you want to keep it wet, but you don't want it to be too wet. And that's really where experience comes into play, and messing around with some test panels before you ever spray that whole car. So with this, it is ready to go. We got our DX ready to go, clear coat all up in it, same settings, nothing changes but the nozzle and the fluid. That's it. All right, so we are good to go. You inspect what's happening. For the most part, it looks pretty good. We absolutely have all that dry stuff. So now you're gonna put on a little bit wetter coat. So you'll see me do that now. Now, you want to inspect your panel very well to make sure you have no dry spots when you've done your second coat of clear. I like to get down low and look up. I don't see anything dry. Everything looks pretty wet. Just like I want. Oh, a little bit of dryness right here. Yep, I was able to handle it. So I'm out of material, but I knew how much material I'd need to put 2 coats on this fender, so that's what I mixed up. But that's that. Now this panel is done. So let's talk about it. All right, so even though it had a little orange peel before, I did not sand the orange peel out. It still looks pretty good. It's a little peely. A very quick, I mean, this clear coat dries in an hour and 45 minutes, I believe. Yeah, hour and a half. It dries in an hour and a half. So in an hour and a half, you could buff on this thing. That does not mean you can go crazy sanding on it. So what you want to do, if you ever need to do a cut and buff, in my opinion, I always wait at least 7 days. If you can wait 30 days, that's probably excessive, but a little bit longer is a little bit better when it comes to waiting to cut. You want all those gases to get out of that paint before you go in there trying to dig on it. So with that said, this panel is other than the dust nibs, which if this were a panel I was given to a customer, first of all, I would not use this clear. It does not have the DOI, distinction of image, which if you look around, you'll notice that that's referred to a lot when it comes to clear coats. This does not have the DOI, distinction of image, that I prefer. it does die back a little bit, which means the finish isn't as bright and glossy as it is right now. So tomorrow, we will likely shoot another video showing you this fender and what it looks like the day after, and give you some tips on how to get rid of the dust nibs and then get rid of the orange peel, the excessive orange peel in some areas. Like I told you already, this is going to be orange peely because it was orange peely before I painted it again. So if it's not completely flat when you start, you're gonna have orange peel, not because you didn't lay it down flat enough, but because it was already there. So if you get down and you look up, you will notice there's orange peel, but it looks good. That's a pretty passable, believe it or not, that's a pretty passable factory type finish. Again, with exception of the dust nibs that are in there, I would remove before a customer ever picked it up. So I wouldn't sell this job to a customer because I don't like that clear coat going out. It's great for testing. It's not great for my customers. So with that said, this has been the Inokraft Drizzle X, DX, if you will. And that is basically a 2 to 3 part series on how to paint your car on your own. So got questions for me, 813-846-4406, or message me here on YouTube, or leave a comment, question, whatever it is you got. I'm here to help you out. If you need me, let me know. But if you want one of these DXs, you should order one now. Wonderful for the DIYer if you want to paint your own car at home. Or if you want to do any blending and repairs, you could do it with this thing too. So there's the Rivian Green with the Speedo Coat SMR 135 all up on it. And another cameo by the DX. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. And if you need me, just reach out. I'm only a phone call or a text away. 813-846-4406.